get a box. Not a big one, not a small one, but just enough for carrying your phone's weight and carrying your phone's size. This one is a Sigma 10 to 20mm lens box, and I don't have the lens anymore because I sold it, but I still have the box, and the box is really nice. It's perfect. Trim off the edges of the box and trim off all the excess little things of the box. Make sure you don't remove every single thing though. You still basically want a box that is 5 of its sides remaining. Don't cut off everything. Just be careful. Next, outline the circumference of your lens on the back of the box. Now this should be at the bottom of the box for obvious reasons, and this will be where you mount your lens. So outline it and then cut a hole. Easy. Easy. Cut a hole, and if it isn't big enough to fit on your lens, cut it some more, and if it's too big, put some tape in between the hole and the lens just to make it fit more snugly. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be secure enough to not fall and destroy your phone. Next, you want to cut a slit. Measure out the length of the piece of plexiglass or glass that you are using and cut a hole accordingly as with the length of this plexiglass. You want it at about 45 degrees to the bottom of the box, and you just need it to be at angles so that when something is reflected off of it, it doesn't show up on the camera. I recommend using plastic plexiglass, although now I only had a piece of glass to work with, but plexiglass that's thin is much better than this thick double layered frosted glass. It's just for an example. Cut the slits, and once you're done with that, reinforce these slits with a bit of cardboard here and there if you find that the surface is too weak. After that, cut another hole. We want this hole to basically allow your phone to mount below the glass so that when your phone is on and showing the script, it reflects onto the glass without any hassle. Slide everything in, and bada bing, bada bang, bada bong. You've got yourself a small, cheap, easy to make teleprompter so that you can read things off a script. And I know this video is a voiceover, but you know, it's really, really useful. Check this out. It reflects perfectly. Brilliant. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.